Ever wanted to share that hilarious cat video with your friends, but got lost trying to find the right link? Don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest ways to grab that YouTube video URL, so you can share it everywhere. First, let's start with the most obvious method. Look for the share button below the video, usually located near the like and dislike buttons. Click on it and a little window will pop up at the very top. You'll see the video URL ready to be copied. Simply click the copy button next to it and voila, you've got the link. But what if you want to start the video at a specific time? No problem. In that same share window, check the box that says start at. Then, enter the time code you want the video to begin from, like 1 minute and 30 seconds. The URL will automatically update to include this timestamp. Here's another super quick way. Just look at the address bar at the top of your browser. That entire address you see right there, that's the video URL. Just highlight it and copy it. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to get your YouTube video link. Now go forth and share those awesome videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.